was thinking about this bike and all the bikes that are out there available. And my opinion has always been that it's far more fun to rag on a small bike than hold back on a big one. You know? It's a lot of fun to go through the gears when you have to, you know? Whereas on a big bike, lots of times it's so forgiving you hardly ever have to shift. Plus, on a small bike like this, it's, to me anyway, a lot of fun to take up the challenge to try and get a little bit more power out of it. So I'd rather have the problem of too little power to start with than having too much power and I can't use it. I used to ride a 50cc scooter, and it was one of the most fun bikes I've ridden. And I think it was fun because it was small, you know? It was gutless. But you could really rag on that. You could really try to get whatever you could out of it, you know what I mean? So that was fun. And of course then I modified it a little bit and pretty well doubled the top end and improved the acceleration. And so that's a lot of fun to me. And that's what made that bike a riot to ride. So this 250, I think is a great size. It's economical, it's nimble. Boy, there's a lot of sand on this road. Oh, well, the road didn't go far, so yeah, economical, nimble, somewhat light compared to a lot of bigger bikes, eh? And the way I've got it tuned, it's pretty responsive. Certainly more power than stock. And like I say, that's fun to do. If I bought a bigger bike, you know, say 1000cc bike or a 700cc bike that has tons of power right out of the gate, then there's nothing more to do but ride it, right? But you can't ride it to its potential. So that's a bit of an issue, I think, for me. I love these little country roads. So quiet, so scenic. Gotta watch for deer. Can't go screaming around blind bends. Gotta keep your peripheral vision going. Because those deer, they're so quick. They just come out of nowhere. But yeah, small bikes, I think that's where it's at. They tend to put a smile on your face a little more quickly than riding a big cruiser with all its chrome paraphernalia. Yeah, this is a nice little area. Beautiful little road. And I seem to recall it ends just up here. Although I could be wrong. That's happened once before. No, I was right. Private property there. So, we turn around. Yeah, I don't think you can have this kind of fun on a big old clumsy bike. Not the way I see it anyway. I mean, I can't classify myself as a hooligan rider on a hooligan bike. But I guess when I was younger I was. I'm 68 now. You tend to look at things a little differently when you're nearing 70. We're back in the residential areas. So we'll ride civilized now. Ah, yes. The day has turned sunny and warmer. I like it. Anyway, I'm gonna cut this short now, so thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the ride. I did. You take care. You ride safe. Have fun, and I'll catch you on another one.